What's up, guys? It's your girl Samara, and I'm back with another video. And today, your girl's gonna be teaching you how to attach box braids, not box braids, not knotless, but not box braids onto your head for beginners, because I am also a beginner, but somehow I've kind of mastered how to attach it to my head and what's the easiest way and what makes sure that it is not loose. Before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and comment down below anything you may want to see in the future. And let's get into the video. So right now I have my parts, and I'm gonna be doing these three because I'm actually redoing the front of my head, only because it got frizzy way sooner than I expected it to be. Well, I kind of expected it because the sis wasn't taking care of it. If you want a video on how to do your parts, especially triangle parts or box parts, either one, also comment down below or just give me a like and I'll make sure to come out with that video. So let's actually get to the hair. Alright, so when you want to attach your hair, you get your designated piece. So I'm going to start with the back first. So I'm going to move these out of the way. So when you have your section, you want to get your piece of hair. So I have my piece of hair. I'm doing bigger braids, so I have more hair. Since I'm doing the elastic version, the method I'm using to attach the braids is I have this one piece of hair and then I bring it to the middle like this so that it becomes two. My third piece of hair is gonna be your actual hair, and as you're braiding, you're gonna add to that piece of hair with this hair so that it blends and so that you have equal distributed amount of strands when you're braiding. Okay, I had to think about that because I wanted to make sure I was saying the right thing. Your piece of hair that you're gonna be braided with into the middle. So what you're gonna do from the middle, you're gonna attach it like this. So now you have one strand, two strand, three strand, but this is how it should look. Now what you do is you take your middle strand and you bring it over. So this is my left strand, this is my right strand. You take your middle strand and you bring it over your right strand like that, and while you do that, you bring your left strand and you bring it over the right strand. Once you do that, you're gonna take this hair, and because you have elastics, you're gonna wrap it around when you're getting ready to braid again. As you continue, you're gonna continue wrapping it around, and then you can also take the other strands and wrap it around basically the knot. And you continue that until you feel like it has a strong grip over the elastic. Since I'm using a different color hair, I'm gonna begin to add hair into the middle strand. So that it can blend. So for me, I feel like I have a good grip over my elastic, so now I can just proceed to braid the hair. And y'all probably wondering why it looks like this. Well, for me, since like I said, I'm a beginner and I am also using different color hair, this is why you can see the black hair. But overall, this is how it should look, and I'm gonna continue to show y'all how to do it. this video really help y'all out, because we all about saving money 2K19, and you don't gotta be going to them expensive old people charging you like $200 for some goddamn box braids when you can do it on your own. So I hope this video helped y'all. If y'all haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button, and comment down below any other type of hair videos or comedy videos or any videos, period. I do anything, any videos y'all want to see in the future. And also let me know how it goes for y'all if y'all are learning how to do your own box braids. And yeah, see you in my next video.
Hey, 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 girl, can't take it, yeah, she take